Spaghetti. Wow! Happy birthday! Hey there, it's me, SIGH. Welcome back to my channel where I share fun, facts, fashion, and food. And this is another food episode where I will be sharing to you the best spaghetti recipe from SIGH's kitchen. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you will enjoy this video, please like, comment, and share. So now, let's begin. I'm cooking spaghetti. I'm still preparing for the sauce. And I mixed some carrot strip for bright eyes. Para sa Bisaya, siga mata. Pangdato siguro nino kay extra rich. Wow, thicker. Thicker ketchup, richer taste. Bebe. Sagla na to. And I'm going to share to you my secret ingredient. However, dili na siya secret, kaya ako i-share. So I'm going to add, for the final touch, the herb and garlic powder mix. Actually, this is just one of the many recipes you can prepare for your pasta sauce, and this is just a suggestion. I cannot call this a Filipino style because I added oregano powder, lots of minced garlic earlier, carrots, and daghan pa siya. So I cannot call this Filipino style, and I'll just call this SIGH style. SIGH's pasta sauce style. For sure, I cannot recreate this one. That's my weakness. When I cook, ano na siya, one time lang na ang recipe, kaya I cannot really recreate because the next time I'm gonna prepare that supposed to be same recipe, I cannot come up with the same one because I try to add another ingredient or I try to deduct one ingredient. So, mana siya, lahi good. When you come into my kitchen and be able to taste my recipes, for sure, maybe madismaya mo kami, uy, gunahan ko mukha natin mo giluto the other day. But I cannot promise that I recreate or cook the exactly same recipe. Humot kaya ang powder. Since I tasted the sauce, it's quite sour for my liking, and maybe because of the ketchup, which was extra rich tomato ketchup, and also I forgot the pasta sauce. So I decided to pour some cubes, Muscuvado cubes, to add a bit sweetness to adjust the sourness of the pasta sauce. And actually this is easy to dissolve. And the final ingredient are the pasta noodles. Spaghetti. Sige. Wow! Happy birthday! Wala ko assistant. Akong assistant, left-handed man po day. And final touch again, the remaining herb and garlic powder for more flavor.
Sour.
Sour lagi? Muna Italian day ni kay sour. Na Italian ang ending. I'm finished. Ready to serve.